Hi kids! Do you know how to multiply even without paper or pen? Kaya niyo yan! This is how.
12 times 24 is 288. 13 times 14 is 182. 15 times 14 is 210. 15 times 24 is 360. 25 times 24 is 600. 21 times 25 is 525. 32 times 25 is 800. 32 times 17 is 544. 36 times 14 is 504. 36 times 24 is 864. 37 times 23 is 851. 12 times 34 is 288.
The correct answer is 488. Let's try to discuss. 10 times 4 is 40. 30 times 2 is 60, that is 100. Plus 8 is 108. Plus 300 is 408.
45 times 36 is 1620. 25 times 15 is 375. 27 times 23 is 621. 45 times 25 is 1125. 56 times 34 is 1904. 66 times 24 is 1584.
IVFC makes math easy. Walang kulalat sa math. Walang kulalat sa math. A campaign on numeracy brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children.